I'm just like...
This is Jordan, a subscriber from Miami who reached out to me to do the Social Animal Challenge. I met up with him last Sunday to help him meet people in real life and show you that you don't need dating apps even during this pandemic.
What's going on?
Hi.
I can't tell if you're cute with your mask on. Can I see your face?
am.
I feel a little attacked. I'm about to say, that's a dope-ass name.
Welcome to my home. Bienvenido.
Yeah, my name's Jordan. I'm 24 years old. You know, the pandemic's been going on, so I haven't been going outside as much. You know, I want to meet people, just like I want to meet girls, you know, just to date. Like, dating on like apps has gotten old for me.
Have you ever approached women during the day, at the grocery store, crossing the street?
Yeah, I've done that before. I feel like I'm comfortable enough to do it, but sometimes I feel like I'm not as consistent. Sometimes I get discouraged. I just talk myself out of it. Yeah, I just get in my head. You know what I mean?
Let's start.
All right, yeah, I'm excited. What's going on?
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
See you. I was walking down the street. I seen you. I just want to say what's up. How you doing? What's your name? It's nice to meet you. Yeah, I just trying to meet new people. You know what I'm saying?
Cool.
From around here?
Yeah.
Where?
Here. Miami.
From Miami? Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm from Illinois. I'm still trying to meet new people out here. You come here often?
Not really.
I catch you at a bad time. You talking to somebody?
Yeah.
Damn. All right, I'll let you go then. My bad.
The words you say, you know, they're kind of like the symptom of you know, how you make sense of situations, right?
Yeah.
So right now what I get from what you said is that first, you try to justify it yourself.
Yeah.
You know, because you said, oh, you know, I was just walking around. I mean, obviously, right? It's not like you came from the sky. You know, the reason I wanted to talk to you is because she was cute, right?
Yeah.
And, you know, if it was a friend and she looked nice, you would have been like, hey, you look great today, you know? How are you, you know?
Yeah.
And the other thing I got is that at the end, you're kind of shooting yourself in the foot by saying hey, you're buzzy, right?
Definitely shoot myself
You know?
in the foot. Didn't feel natural, but, you know, I just kind of wanted to...
But you got.
I can do better, yeah. You know.
But that's
Like,
why
this is
when
good
you first
feedback.
came back, I said the good thing is that you just did it.
Yeah, I just wanted
This
to
is
get
an iteration process.
Yeah, I want to just force I knew it was gonna be uncomfortable. I was like, I was already telling myself I was gonna fold. I think.
No.
And instead, but I just wanted to do it. I was like, yeah, I just need to do it. So, you know, yeah, I'm glad I did it. I'm ready to keep going.
Let's keep going. What happened?
It didn't feel natural.
What'd you say?
So it didn't feel natural. Like, I don't know if I was nervous or what, but it just didn't seem like the right time to interact, you know? So I felt like if I was, you know, if I had my bathing suit on and I had my flip-flops, I'd be like, oh, yo, where are y'all going? Can I go with you? Type.
What do you mean? What are the flip-flops have to do with it?
First thing for me is finding that thing to say, because, you know, when you're at a function or a party, you kind of have that connection already, but I think it really is that whoa, where are you, you're coming out, what is it? You know what I mean? The very first thing to me is the hardest part. I feel like if I can just get a better thing to say the first time, it'd be so much easier. Yo, what's up? You want to take a picture, all three of y'all?
Yeah. Yeah, that'd be dope.
All right.
Thank you.
Y'all from out of town?
Yeah.
Nice. Where y'all from?
Minnesota.
Minnesota? Oh, yeah, it's cold up there.
I get my birthday girl gotta be.
Whose birthday?
My birthday.
Yep, happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, these are nice.
Oh, this is so cute. Thank
Nice.
you.
Yeah, have a good one.
Thank you.
I didn't really, kind of like it. I wasn't. I didn't feel
interested.
I didn't feel. Yeah, I wasn't interested. I didn't feel compelled to take any further. But it was just cool to.
Okay.
Yeah. How y'all doing? You look like somebody I know. Your name Leah? No. Y'all having a good time though?
Yeah. Yeah, so far so good.
That's cool. Y'all from around here?
No.
No?
From Chicago.
Really? Me too. I'm actually from Aurora.
Really?
Yeah.
So you're not from Chicago?
I'm not from Chicago. I'm from Illinois.
I'm gonna say Illinois because Chicago's a lot different than Aurora.
Yeah,
Suburb kids are so,
it is
y'all are
different.
so bored. You don't have
It is
anything
the drugs,
else to do.
though.
So different. Yeah. Drugs and lighting shit on fire, garbage cans and weird shit.
Garbage cans and shit.
Setting off fireworks.
I feel a little attacked.
I did come hard.
A little bit.
Did you? He's like,
Hometown
damn, I just
shitty.
walked up to say hi to you.
Right, literally. crazy.
I bet you weren't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't expecting you to be from Chicago. I wasn't expecting the hostility. It was
I'm
crazy.
crying. You should have known when you heard Chicago.
I should have known. I was like, oh, this is a rough one.
Aggressive.
It's gonna be rough.
Super Chicago.
What y'all doing tonight for the Super Bowl?
We don't know yet. We're figuring it out now. I'm texting people.
Yeah.
How long you been here? How long?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah, I actually came down here to teach. I was a teacher.
Oh, wow. That's so
I
nice.
was teaching middle school math.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Let me like get your Instagram or something. Can I get your number?
Sure.
What's
Let
your
me
name,
see
by the way?
Instagram.
Okay.
I'm curious. But yeah, we don't know what we're doing tonight.
Yeah, me neither. I'm trying to figure it out.
That's
You typed that in fast. What's your name? Like yourself too. I'll hit y'all later. See what y'all up to.
Okay.
All right. Nice to
a
meet you.
nice day.
Bye.
Welcome to my home.
Good. I walked up and the girl I thought was cute she was cute as hell when I walked up. So I was like, sweet. What you doing? What is this?
It's a restaurant and a bar.
Oh, okay. Are you like security or?
Me, no.
No? Oh, okay. I was about
I
to say.
could be, I could be, but no, I'm just.
I was gonna say you could probably beat me up, but don't hurt me.
Yeah, definitely.
How long you gonna be here?
I'm here all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't tell if you're cute with your mask on. Can I see your
I
face?
am.
Can I see your face to verify? I can't just take your word for it.
My makeup's probably messed up, but
Oh yeah, you cute. Yeah, you cute. You cute. You from around here? Yeah, we should definitely hang out sometime though. Let me get your Instagram.
okay.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you cute. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll let you get
Here
back.
later.
Yeah, I'll be here later.
All right.
I'll try to say what's up, cause I know you're gonna be held hostage here.
I don't know where I'm gonna be. I might be over there. I might be inside. I don't know yet. So.
Okay. All right, bet I'll look for you.
I'll see you later.
All right, later.
Like Casanova over here.
Yeah, I know, right? Like most of the time, you just think like overthinking shit is like the number one reason why it doesn't go the way you want it to go.
Yeah, like you build up a very complicated story. Well, things are like
For no
actually very
reason.
simple.
Yo, I just wanted to say I saw you back there. I thought you were like a supermodel. You look really cute. Just gave her a compliment. It was like, oh, okay. And I was like, all right.
What do you mean? Oh, okay.
I could have pressed it, yeah.
I know because, and a lot of people, you know, we're all little kids, you know, just our body age. But a lot of people, most people don't really know how to like have a conversation with a stranger. You know?
Right.
And so, you know, maybe she's like, she's also thinking the same.
Hey,
what
the
do I
fuck?
say?
Yeah, what am I supposed
You
to
know?
say?
I think a rule of thumb is always ask yourself, if I was already friends with them, how would I act? And
yeah.
just do that.
Hey, what's up? Like a nose piercing. Where you from? New York. I was born in Buffalo, but never really grew up in the city. But I was tired of the cold. I had to move down here.
Yeah, Buffalo was cold.
Cold, and hella snow too, you know? It's cool though. Haven't met too many people from New York around here. I meet people from like all over though sometimes. That's cool. Just want to say what's up. See you later. I didn't feel like I was like, I don't really need to get her number. She's cool. And I think that's another thing, like, when it comes to being a transaction, like, it doesn't always have to be like, I'm trying to get something. It's like, it was just a simple conversation. Like, we had to sit there, enjoy the day, chat a little bit, and then that's it.
I was doing the most last night. I thought I wasn't doing much.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Where y'all going?
I need to find coffee.
Coffee? Yeah, I kind of interrupted you in the middle of the story, but I kind of want to hear it. Is
No,
that
that's okay. You
No?
don't hear it.
Oh, damn. Okay. But, like, I don't judge. Like, it's cool.
Yeah.
It's cool. Y'all from around here?
No.
Oh, okay. Where y'all from?
Las Vegas.
Vegas?
Atlanta.
Atlanta? Is it lit in Vegas right now?
Oh, yeah. There's stuff going on.
Kinda? Okay. What brought y'all down here?
We trade Forex, so we're here for an event.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah.
You know, I kind of have some questions about Forex. Damn, I feel like I walk with y'all, like, everywhere, but I'll let y'all go.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Oh, here's our card, though.
Oh, does it have your name on it or not?
Yeah. There's.
Is this your name?
No, that's.
I was about to say, that's a dope-ass name. Oh, okay. What's your name?
Nice
Okay.
to meet you.
All right, I'll see y'all around. My name's Jordan, by the way.
Okay.
See ya. I didn't really say, like, oh, you know, like, I'm interested. Like, let me take you out. Or, like, you're cute or anything like that.
Were you interested?
I mean, yeah, but like not to the point where I felt like I needed to say something. You know what I mean? I had a good day. You know, started off kind of. This is the first time I've been out talking to people on the street, so I was feeling a little nervous. You know, kind of like how you said, like, you know, running stories in your head. When you broke it down and saying like it's just about expressing yourself and just feeling like you can express yourself, it really kind of put me at ease. And I was like, yeah, like that's really all it is. It isn't like I'm trying to get something out of it or whatever. I mean, sometimes like maybe I do like I wanna hang out with the person, but it doesn't have to be so difficult or like.
You can have a strong intention, but not be like not be needy of the outcome.
Exactly, not needy. Yeah. And I think the first couple, when it wasn't that good, I was too focused, like, oh, this has to be a good interaction, or like, you know what I mean?
Okay.
But once I kind of just dropped that, and I was like, yeah, let me just be in the moment and stop thinking so much, it felt a lot better. I would say today was about just getting outside and meeting real people, you know, getting outside your comfort zone sometimes, even if you, because like we were talking about, I feel like a lot of times I do just hold back, or I don't express myself when I want to, and I don't know why, you know, like it's a lot of things like I've learned it, or, you know, whatever reason, like maybe I'm insecure about something, but I want to work on that kind of stuff. So that's why I really wanted to put myself out there. I wanted to say like, yeah, like I want to meet new people. I want to meet some new women that I could possibly date. But at the end of the day, I also want to just be more confident talking to people. And you're not going to do that without going out talking to people. So definitely wanted to just get out there.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Yeah, I would say a lot of times like we're our own worst enemy. So just let yourself like be great. Let yourself do the things that you want to do. Express the interest in the people you want to express interest in, and like who knows, but you definitely shouldn't block your own shot. Like don't. Yeah, I mean that's it. Like follow me on check out my YouTube channel Scut TV, and then follow me on Instagram scut.smoke.
Okay.
Definitely
Cool.
Like Ruben's a Scuddy guy, so keep watching his shit. I really like it.
Yeah,
Bringing the world closer together, one video at a time, making it less awkward to talk to people. That's some Scuddy shit.
he actually
Made him a
got
shirt.
me a t-shirt. So
That's right. Social Animal brought to you by Scud.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you, Jordan, for the t-shirt. This is the 7th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. My goal is to, you know, showcase different personalities, different locations, to show that we're all human beings, and if you want to talk to anyone, you should go for it. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want some coaching, and especially if you want to be featured in one of those videos, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm currently in Miami, but I'm happy to travel anywhere. That's it for today. See you next time.